We are getting ready to leave camp. Jess is all over there, directions. So I'll see if she got those. My car's a mess, we don't really need to see that. But we're gonna go drive through the rest of Capitol Reef today, and then we're gonna head down to the Grand Staircase of Escalante.
Hudson is like being so dramatic over here with his paws on the front dash. I have somehow gotten behind Johnny coming out of the camping site there, so I'm trying to find him now. I don't know if you can see him, but he's like around that corner already. Just pulled over at this little spot that said Petroglyphs. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. You see those people that are drawn?
I think these things are worse.
Hudson did not get to come look at the petroglyphs with us, so he's kind of bummed. He decided he wants to drive instead.
I didn't say no dogs.
Hi, I'm back. You're cute. We just saw the petroglyphs. I honestly don't know where we're headed. We're driving through more of Capitol Reef. This is the end of the road. There's a cool branch back there. I just wanted to show you guys that. Johnny's heading on already. Alright, Hudson, apparently we're turned around. We're gonna go towards Grand Escalante. Just picked myself up a coffee. Now we're heading to some campground that John has found, more towards Grand Escalante. And then we're gonna find a hike. Maybe we'll find a hike along the way before that. Don't know. It's 46 degrees, and yeah, that's the update. Scenic overlook, 1 mile. Alright. Hudson, we checking out the overlook?
Cool lake though. How are you, buddy? Huh? Hi. Stay. Yeah, good boy. Oh.
He's tired of the park.
Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah. There's some pretty cool pullouts here. You can't tell how huge this actually is.
Ooh. It is like sheer drops off the sides here. We're going on a walk. We're pulled over somewhere. I think we're in the Grand Staircase of Escalante. Lower Falls Trail.
Jess is getting fed up with Hudson's shenanigans.
He's so bad walking on like his actual neck collar. On a harness, he's fine.
It's okay, buddy. I still love you.
I have freed him. He's walking off a leash. And he took a freaking poop. So I almost just lost my phone. I peed really fast. Fell out of the back of my pocket because a person was coming. So I finished really fast and like ran away, and then realized that it had fallen out of my pocket and ran back to get it. So that was fun. And then Hudson just wasn't listening, and he was running all over the place confused. So now he's on a leash, which he's not happy about. I just called Hudson back to me. He's not listening. Can you see him? He's wet. He went and took himself for a dip. And now he's gonna go again. Little stinker. Hudson. Hello. Are you having a great time today? On this walk you are, at least. Hudson, stay right there. Let's see. Can we take it in? Yep, look at all that dirt. We just passed some people and asked them how far. They said like 20 or 25 more minutes, and it's worth it. So we're continuing on. There's a goose down here. Where is he? There. I think he snuck himself off into the water. Oh, yes he did. Okay. Come on, let's go see the waterfall. I would say that it was worth coming to. I don't think it sucks, John. I think it's pretty cool. John has freaked me out that there might be algae in the water that would be poisonous to him, so I'm not letting him go swimming. I don't think there is, but
What do you think?
I think it was worth it for not knowing what this hike was. Pretty cool. The green in the rock is really cool.
Took some pictures. Yeah, getting the stick.
You want a picture there?
Nah. Took us an hour and a half to get in here. Now we're heading back.
Yep, come on, Hutsy.
This trail has really deep sand. Which if you don't walk in sand, it sucks. Let's see, I'm supposed to look at a fish.
Well, how you went to flex by, but get over here.
I got him.
You see him?
Yeah.
Just went under that log. I feel like you missed him.
No, I could see him on my phone.
And there's another fish right there. There's a lot of fish in this water.
Yeah, they're not dying. I freaked Jess out about algae, potential blue-green algae. It's poisonous to, well, dogs and humans.
But worse for dogs.
Yeah. I'm sure he's fine.
He had his head in it getting a step, so he definitely drank some. But what? We're almost done with the walk. Hallelujah. It's been a long one. Let's see. We're back at number 1. This is the start. Now we just gotta walk back to our cars. After carrying this for like 3 hours, we have finally made it back to the beginning. Thank you, Hudson.
We're walking back to our cars now. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to melt into my seat and not get up. Jess and Hudson aren't quite as tired. Good for them. Hudson and I are equally hungry though.
We're officially back at the car. I gave Hudson a snack and some water. He got dirt all over my seat. Thank you. Okay. Should I start it and turn on some AC? Get the frick out of here. Yeah, we need that AC on, huh? Alright. We were just at Calf Creek Recreation Area and we hiked the lower falls. Now we're heading out. I'm following John to find a campsite. Evidently we're pulling into whatever campground John found. Now we're just gonna find a campsite and eat some dinner. I'm so tired. This is the campsite we've chosen. John has already crawled into bed. He's laying in the back of his truck. It's like 4, maybe 4:30. Hudson is chasing shadows. And I just set up my chair so I can sit out here. Just taking Hudson on a walk down here, trying to let him poop if he has to. We're turning around to go back. This is a nice campsite. But man, I am tired from that walk. We walked 6 miles, I guess. And I could take a nap right now too. But I think I'll just try and stay up a couple more hours till it gets dark. There. Now you can see me walking. Can you tell I'm tired? I don't know.